Piktochart is a great Web 2.0 tool that can be accessed online or through a smartphone app. It was created in March of 2012 by Go Ching and Andrea Zagia. The primary purpose of this tool is to give inexperienced consumers the ability to develop stunning visual infographics to help share valuable information to other people. Since its creation in 2012, it has introduced other useful elements such as designing presentations, flyers, posters, and reports to help users make their ideas come to life with visually appealing graphics. So you may ask yourself, what are the benefits of using Piktochart infographics in an educational setting? Well, educators can present their core ideas with infographics that can benefit learners of all ages. Visuals tend to enrich the learning experience, and educators can use them to help students understand ideas that may normally be difficult to grasp. Creative visuals can also help enhance students' presentation. And, since they have an online presence, they can be viewed from anywhere at any time to help students review information and prepare for upcoming tests. So, without further delay, let's get started creating our very own custom infographic on Piktochart. Hello, my name is Matthew Hankinson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Web 2.0 tool, Piktochart. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a web browser. You can use Firefox, Chrome. Today I'm going to be using Chrome. We'll go up here, and you're going to go to www.piktochart.com. Okay. So once it opens here, we're just going to go to sign up, since we're all new users. And since I've already previewed this, I already have my information in here. But for everyone else, you just want to enter your information in there. And then we're going to select Create Account. Afterwards, it's going to take you to your email, and it's going to have you hit Confirm Email. And then, once you do, it's going to take you to a Sign In page, and you hit Sign In. Okay, so after you get all your information in there and confirm your email, it's going to take you to a topic selection page. It has a couple pre-selected topics here, but for today's purpose, we're just going to select No Thanks, and then Submit. Okay, so it's going to take you right to your dashboard here. Your dashboard is where you can see any previously made files, and you can also create new infographics, presentations, and printables, which is like flyers, reports, stuff like that. So today we're going to select Infographic. And then once you do, it's going to take you to a couple pre-created templates. And I'm just going to scroll through some to show you here. And I think I'm going to actually select this one. This one seems like a good one. Then we're going to hit Use Template. Okay, so it's going to give you a template here. And it kind of has things already pre-set up, as you can see, to kind of like a pre-layout to give you an idea of how to kind of go about it. You don't necessarily need to go by this. You can customize it as your own. And so for now, let's just show you how to edit. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just edit basic information like your name right here. So the first thing you want to do is click on it and then highlight the whole text there and then just type in your name. My name is Matthew Hankinson. Alright, after you do that, if you want to do other things here, you can also select it, and you can select different fonts. As you can see, it'll kind of show you a preview. And you can also go here and select different colors. But we're just going to stick with the blue because it already matches. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is let's do things that I like. So for me, and for instance, I like my daughter Sophia. She's my favorite person in the world. So what I'm going to go and do is go over to the graphics selection over here and then select Shapes and Icons. Okay, so once I do, I'm just going to type in, let's do something like daughter. And then hit Enter. And hey, this kind of reminds me of my daughter here. So let's add her here, and I'm going to delete this ice cream and then select my daughter again. So the next thing I'm going to do is just resize her so she fits in the little circle there. And then I will place her in the middle. I think she's still too big. Okay. And then what we can do here is select all this text, delete it, and then type my daughter Sophia. Okay, so The next thing we can do, I can show you how to add a picture. So I'm going to delete this picture here. I don't want to use this one. So what I'm going to do is go to Uploads, then we'll go to Browse Images. Okay, so it'll take you to a couple different images I have here, and this is the one that I actually already previously used for class. Then upload it, and then I'm going to drag and drop it right onto my picture here. Okay, so now what I want to do is resize it, because it seems a little too big. I'm going to hold down Shift, which will maintain proportions. And then just slowly resize my picture here, and then place it right in the middle there. That looks like a good spot. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. Alright, so let's go down here and add a couple different things. How about things that I am good at? One thing that I like to do, I've been skateboarding for 19 years, so I'm going to add skateboarding there. I think that maybe by this point I've kind of got somewhat good. So what I'm going to do is click on the smiley face there, and I'm going to delete it. I'm going to go up here to Graphics, type in skateboard. I don't have much of a selection here, but we have a little skateboarder guy right here. I like him. Let's add him. Okay, as you can see, there he is. Let's get him in there. I'm going to hold down Shift, that way it maintains the same shape, proportions, and then just slowly downsize him until I think he fits. Okay, so I have him right in the middle there. But for some reason, his color doesn't match the rest of the outline I have going on right here. So let me actually change the color there. I'm going to have it selected like I do right now, and then I'm going to go up here to this little paint bucket icon. And as you can see, it says color, kind of give you a little reminder of what it is. So I'm going to down select that, and this looks like to be the same blue that I've already have going on with my theme. I'm going to select that, and voila, looks like it fits in there. Okay, so next thing, obviously smile does not match up with skateboarding, so I'm going to select that right there. I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to type in skateboarding. Oh, okay, so it's still a little too big right here. So what we're going to do is select it, and we're going to just spread it out so it resizes it. And a little bit more. And then I'm going to recenter it. As you can see, there is a bunch of little lineage there to show you where things are centered and how they match up with other items on the template as well. Okay, so afterwards what you can do is you can hit save, and it'll save all the progress you've made so far. You can go to preview, which will just give you obviously a preview of the creation you have made. And then you just hit exit preview to get out of that mode. And then download. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit download, and I'm going to hit PNG. So I'd like a PDF, but you need to pay money for that. That's what leveling up is. So we're just going to stick with PNG because it'll still work for many of the other programs you're probably going to be uploading this with. And I'm just going to keep it on a normal quality. And then I'm going to select download as a PNG. Okay, as you can see, it's right down the bottom there on my screen. I'm going to select on that just to see what it looks like. And voila, there it is. As you can see, there's some of the changes I made as I changed my name. I added my daughter Sophia right here and a picture of myself to kind of customize it. And things that I'm good at, there's skateboarding as well. Okay, so you can actually customize the whole infographic here to make it customizable to yourself. And there you go. Voila, that's how you use Piktochart. Okay, so after you download your infographic, you're going to want to upload to something, correct? So let's upload one to a Google slide. So I'm going to go here, and what a coincidence, I already have a Google slide on Piktochart. So I'm just going to pick a proper spot for it. Let's say about right here. I'm going to click on the little plus icon here for a new slide. And I'm going to type in final product. Okay, so afterwards we're going to go up here and click on insert. And then we're going to select image, roll over here to upload from computer, and then we're going to select our infographic. And ours I relabeled as Infographic About Me. So we're going to hit Open. And there it is. We're just going to resize it. Maybe add some text. This is my infographic. And there you go. That's how you upload a Piktochart infographic to a Google slide. So I hope you enjoyed my video on how to use Piktochart, create infographics, and upload them to Google Slides. So one last thing, thank you for watching.